Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you iOS 18 Genmoji. Create awesome Genmojis on iPhone. If you've been using iOS 18, you might have noticed the brand new feature called Genmoji. This feature lets you create awesome personalized avatars that look just like you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own Genmoji on your iPhone. First things first, open the Messages app. This is where we'll be creating and using Genmoji. You can simply start a new message or uh, open an existing one where you'd like to use your Genmoji. Simply tap the plus button and let's say here. Now tap on the emoji icon in the text input bar, which is just located below the keyboard. Now you'll see a Genmoji labeled right over there. Tap on it to simply create a personalized avatar. Here you'll have the option to create a Genmoji from scratch or customize an existing one. First things first, you can customize your Genmoji using a select skin tone, then shape, face shape, eyes, nose, and mouth. You can really get detailed with this. Choose from a wide range of options to make it just look like you. Next, pick your hairstyle, color, and even accessories like glass, hats, or earrings. And once you're happy with the Genmoji, tap done, and your Genmoji is ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.